What's up everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. Original vlog with Christina. I am finally back home from New York and I've been, well, long story short, well, a little backstory. Before I left, the goal was to have a video uploaded while I was on the road of me cranking this car up and driving it, but sadly I couldn't do it because the car was having issues where the ECU wasn't getting power. Come to find out that when I did my brake tub, somehow some scrapinol cut my conversion harness. Not too sure how that happened. Actually, I'm lying. I do know what happened, but I don't want to say it because all in all, it's fixed. The car is fixed. Yep, everything, baby. We good to go. So, now before I start the car, I must go get oil, take off this valve cover and put on my yellow one, go get new spark plug tube seals because those are completely trash, and possibly fix this because this is, I don't like that. So I gotta go get all that stuff situated today before I can start the car, because that's what we're doing today. We can actually start and drive this bad boy today. All I will need is a tune, which I can just throw on my old tune and call it a day. So let's go, Yumi. Okay, so I'm leaving Walmart and let me show you what oil I run with. Well, this is the oil I'm gonna use until I do another oil change, which is like a week after the car starts driving and everything. But this Super Tech, bro, this right here is the truth because it got that. Bro, that right there is like, you know, most of the high-end brand of oil, and it's pretty good. Like, people even use Amazon oil, but this Walmart oil right here, playboy, $15 full synthetic, and that's what it is. As far as coolant, I always tell you guys, run the Valvoline coolant, bro. It's that pink, I think this is the blue one. So this is like closest to Honda you're gonna get instead of going to, you know, the dealership. But if you do go to the dealership, remember, y'all get 20% off if you call my Coggin Acura of Fort Pierce and just mention my name, and you get free shipping. And oh my god damn it, my battery's dead. But yeah, you get free shipping and 20% off on everything at the parts department at Coggin Acura of Fort Pierce. So there you go. Now let's go to Home Depot. Well, first let me jumpstart the car and then go to Home Depot and then get this ring terminal, then go to O'Reilly, then blah blah blah. Let's do this. You're looking at closely with these three items like $70, dog. Why is stuff so expensive? And if you're like, Zosh, bro, that's 70 bucks. That's not expensive. To me it is, because I'm struggling. All right, so back home, got the new terminal on. I kind of don't like how it looks a little bit, but plate cover covers that. So also got the yellow valve cover back on, which I'm gonna need to get another one done. I'm gonna have to send out one of my 3 valve covers to have one sent out to get powder coated, another yellow, and I think Body Vision is gonna paint one of these green to match the car, because I don't know, I might change up the color scheme on the car. I don't know, we just gonna see. Oil filter on, time to put in the oil. Oil filter, dipstick, not oil filter, but oil cap, dipstick, and yeah, coolant, it has to go in there. I gotta put transmission fluid in. Yeah, that'd be much it, man. To load up a tuning, we should be able to start this thing. Let's get it. Alright, so it just turned 6 o'clock and everything is Gucci taters. I got the oil in, I got the transmission fluid in. I don't have the coolant in because I have to plug this thing up top on the coolant upper housing neck thing, the jig, but I can still start this car up. And that is the goal. I got the computer updating itself, so I can throw that K-Pro Hyundai software on. Oh, we're good to go. All right, let's turn the car on so the ignition's on. ECU connected. Yes, sir. 2 error codes. What I gotta do? Let me guess. O2 sensor. VTEC oil pressure switch. Oh, Lord. All right, let's go to new calibration, because I gotta load up a map on this bad boy. Yeah, man. Me cannot use me old tune. I don't know why. I cannot know why they don't use my old tune. Let's go to so I'm just gonna choose the first one, and then once this load up in here, go to, what is it? No, not parameters. Oh yeah, it is parameters. Okay, go here. Let's go to multiplexer. Gotta disable this because we don't no longer need it. Click the upload icon. Car should prime. Cool. No check engine light. Oh, well, got an error code. Still VTEC. God dang it, I gotta figure out what's going on with that. Alrighty, got everything situated. The car is now ready to start. I'm thinking I should just move the car outside. Yeah, I think I'm gonna move it outside, then start it so it don't be too loud in the garage, and I don't want the neighbor to come out tripping. So let's push the car out in the driveway and then crank it up. Well, I know it starts. At least I know it starts, so that's good. Even though my axle's broken, I gotta get an axle replacement because that thing is completely destroyed. Even though I paid to get it fixed. It's not fixed, but it starts. So that's all that matters. Alright everybody, it is the next day and we are going to keep filming on getting the car to start nice and idle perfectly fine. What we must do is install headlight. You cannot drive a car at night with no headlight. So we must install the headlight. And I got headlight from Oxbeam. Oxbeam has been a long running sponsor of their channel. I always hit them up for all my LED needs. And if you would like to run some Oxbeam LED headlight or bulbs in general, link down below in the description box. Okay, let's get on with the install. Okay, so here we are. We have 9006 bulb and 9005. Now, this is F16 Plus and this is also F16 Plus. And when you unbox it, it should look something like this. Come on, buddy. Come on. Alright, let me switch back to my American accent because I don't know how to be pronouncing most of the words in Nigerian. I'm working on it. But here we have my 9006 bulb. Look how massive this bulb is. Now it kind of scares me how massive this is because it's supposed to fit in this hole. Now, if you're, oh well, can't say that, I might get demonetized. But hopefully this should, you know, it'll be a smooth and quick install. So. Lo and behold, icy boys, so icy ENT, playboy. Got all of them bad boys tucked up too, so you don't even see the wires. So you guys see that. I mean, you see the wire coming down there, but you don't really see the wire. You don't even know where my ballast is at, playboy. Both sides. Make sure I'm doing it right, son. So when you look at my engine bay, you're gonna be like, damn, Zosh, your headlight's icy. Thank you, bro. I appreciate all the love and support. Thank you. Now the car's ready to drive at night as well, but I'm not done yet. Oxbeam sent me more bulbs to put into the turn signals, and when I ordered these clear side markers, which I need to do ASAP. Well, I think that's pretty much going to wrap it up for this video because, well, everything works. Like the lights down here work and everything, but for this side I have to extend the wire, and I'll do that off camera when I actually go out and buy the wire. But this video was the sole purpose of getting it to start. Now the next video will be the first, well, yeah, maybe the next video after this one will be a first drive video. I'm talking to Javi now about getting me a base map because I believe when it comes to base maps, Javi is a god. Super facts. Like, that man is a beast at base mapping. So yeah, so for the most part, man, the car do start. Not really much issues. I wish I could start it again, but well, you know, your boy has neighbors that yeah, I ain't trying to piss off nobody and have the HOA people coming after me like, oh, you have blah blah blah. It's a really shitty thing. It's really crappy. But I'm very pleased with my headlight tuck though. Look at that. Ooh, that is beautiful. Huge thank you to Auxbeam. I'll leave all the information down below to Auxbeam in case you want to pick up a set and use my discount code while you do so. And yeah, first startup, K-Pro works fine. So thank you to my man Paul for giving me such a great deal on his version 4. Thank you, bro. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace.